in order to change the wallpaper on iPhone 16e, we need to open Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down to find Wallpaper here, and let's go there. And now we can either create a new wallpaper set, or we can choose the current one and then press Add New Wallpaper at the bottom. Then we can choose one of the featured wallpapers here. We can also scroll down to find even more categories. And also we can use one of these options at the top, so we can choose photos from the gallery. We can do a photo shuffle, live photo, and so on and so forth. So let's say I'm gonna actually pick a photo. I'm gonna pick a photo of mine. And as an example, I'm gonna choose this thing over here. And there we go. Now, first we have the lock screen, of course, so we can adjust the photo if needed. You can use two fingers in order to change the position of the photo. We can also zoom in and zoom out with two fingers as well. Once we are done, I can press Add in the top right corner, and then we can set as wallpaper pair or customize the home screen. So I'm gonna go to customize home screen in order to make some further adjustments. So I can just choose a pair with the blur. If you don't want to use the blur, then over here you can tap on this button to disable that blur. You can also simply pick a different color or a gradient if needed. If you tap on that option, you can choose the color that you wish to use. I'm gonna actually stick with pair in this example. Press down in the top right corner, and we will create the new setup, and the new wallpaper is done. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!